Welcome to Air Fryer February 2025. 2 weeks of air fryer magic. I'm Mary Ellen, or better known on YouTube as Potpourri, and today we're kicking off things with a crowd pleaser, Mini Calzones. These are easy, cheesy, and oh so delicious. And it's a perfect recipe if you're a beginner or a pro using your air fryer. But before we dive in, I just have to thank my amazing collaborators. We got Linda at Lou Creates, the other Linda at Linda's Pantry, Karen at In the Kitchen with Karen, Renee at Pikes Creek Farm, Angie from the Inquisitive Farm Wife, and Remy from Remy's World. Be sure to check out their channels for fantastic recipes and for what they're going to post during Air Fryer February 2025. And I have the links to their channels down below so you don't miss a single video. I've got just a huge announcement. This year, we have a fantastic giveaway. Typhur, who makes the fantastic Typhur Dome 2 air fryer, is giving away a Typhur Dome 2 air fryer to one lucky viewer. All you have to do is watch all the videos and post a comment. And maybe your comment will be the lucky random comment chosen, and you'll get this fantastic air fryer. I love Typhur Dome's air fryers. I have the original, and now I have the Typhur Dome 2. And believe me, it is the Cadillac of air fryers. So thank you, Typhur, for your generous contribution to Air Fryer February 2025. And you know, I'm really excited about my Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. You know, I hardly use my microwave at all, but I use my Typhur Dome air fryer at least 5 to maybe 8 times a week. I can use it for breakfast, for lunch, for supper, for snacks. It's just so versatile. Air fryers are my favorite kitchen appliance. Well, next to my oven and my stove, of course. Now, I don't know about you, but my grandkids love those pizza rolls. And I kind of looked at the package, I was buying them for them. And you read all the processed ingredients in it. And believe me, there's a lot of them. And I'm thinking, gosh, there's got to be something better. So I came up with making these mini calzones is what I call them, but they're like a pizza roll, except they're a calzone. But they are delicious. And you know what goes into your calzone, unlike the pizza rolls you buy at the store. So make it how your family likes it. First, you have to prepare the dough. It's best to let your dough, the refrigerated dough anyway, rest from 30 minutes to an hour on your kitchen counter, out of your refrigerator. I've learned that the hard way. What this does is relax the gluten, and it allows you to roll it out thinner. Otherwise, you're continually fighting it. You get it rolled out, and then it, squinches right back up again. So, this is a hack that works for me. Of course, you could hand stretch your dough, but I find a rolling pin works just fine for this recipe. Let's make our innards for the calzone. So we're gonna open. Now you can buy pizza sauce, or in my case, it's my home canned pizza sauce. So nice and thick. So let's see. Yeah, I'll put about that much in. Maybe about a cup and a half. Depends on how many you're gonna make. And then I have my pepperoni. And I've just taken kitchen shears and sliced it up a bit. Put that in. Again, a half, 2/3 a cup. But you could use sausage. You could use ham. You could use just cheese. You could use veggies. I mean, it's whatever you want. However you like a pizza, well, What is a calzone? It's kind of like an inverted pizza, right? I'm going to put in a little of dehydrated onions. And some minced garlic, 2 tablespoons or so. Up to you how much garlic you want to add. Now let's just mix this up. Separate the pepperoni a bit. Get that garlic in. See, it's nice and thick. Flour on top. And now, I am using a dumpling maker, but you don't have to. You can use your regular cookie cutter. I just find it's easier doing this. I really like this little kit. It has 2 different sizes of the press and 3 different sizes of the cookie cutter. Really comes in handy. A very versatile tool. You can make mini calzones, mini little pies, dumplings, and even ravioli. You want to lightly wet the edges of the dough. Okay, and then we're just going to put it together like that. Squeeze it. Comes out perfect. If you don't have a dumpling maker, you can crimp the edges with a fork for a nice finish. So we're just going to trace out our pan here. Some parchment paper. Doesn't have to be exact. Now I'm just going to cut it out. Got our parchment paper down nice. Now we're just going to put these in there. Now it'll be the size of your basket, how many you can fit. As you can see, in my Typhur Dome, I can fit quite a bit. Now we're just going to put them in. I'm going to cook them at 375. So about 12 minutes, I think. Here we go. So I turned them over at 10 minutes. We're going to put them in for 2 more minutes. Okay, we're going to take them out. Whoa. Okay, now I just got a little butter, melted butter, and some Italian seasoning. We'll just put this on top. There we go. Now I have some of that pizza sauce left over, so we're going to use that as a dipping sauce. We're going to put a little Parmesan on top. Doesn't it look beautiful? Some of them look a little darker, so maybe 10 minutes would have been fine, but I'm sure they're going to taste absolutely delicious, especially when we have our dipping sauce. So, time for the taste test. Now, for my favorite part, the taste test. We're going to use this one because, yeah, the innards are trying to escape. But make sure you cool them long enough. I don't know if you've ever tried pizza rolls and put them in your mouth, bit into it, and then scalding hot sauce just burnt your entire mouth. Well, yeah, I've done that. So be careful. Now, we're just going to dip these a little. Nice and crispy. Mm. This is delicious. A crispy exterior and gooey pizza in the middle. I mean, this is really, really good. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you are watching every single Air Fryer February 2025 video. And remember to comment on each one so you'll be in the drawing for a fabulous Typhur Dome air fryer too. I mean, well, you saw me use it. Look how much room it had. Look how many of the mini calzones that fit in there. That wouldn't happen in a typical basket air fryer. So make sure you watch and you comment. And I urge you to consider buying your own Typhur Dome. I have a 10% discount code below. I mean, it is just a wonderful kitchen appliance. I can't say enough good things about it or about the company Typhur. Typhur is a great company, fast response, great customer service. You will not be disappointed if you buy a Typhur product. But now, I want to eat some more of these. So, until the next time, happy Air Fryer February 2025.